What up, what up, what up? It's your boy Nico.
And I'm B.
Yeah, we back with another video. You already know what time it is, so make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I'm lit, y'all. I'm sorry. We in Jamaica. We out here in Jamaica. That was the surprise, y'all.
Who birthday?
You already know. It's my 30th birthday.
Making 30.
I'm 30 years old. I'm a real grown man out here, you know what I'm saying? So I said, let's do big boy teens. I want to do big boy teens out there. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So we out here. So we're going to do like a room tour for y'all.
Okay, yeah. So we have to make sure that we got a good room so we can give y'all a good room tour.
Yeah. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, because we paid the ticket just for y'all. So y'all make sure y'all tune in. It's about to go down. We're about to show y'all the room. Let's get it. You ready?
Yes.
Let's show them the room.
Okay.
Come on,
so
open the door. Open the door.
We got 2 keys and we're staying at
Where we
the
staying?
Excellence Resort. So
Yeah.
nice.
Beautiful. What's going on? We back right now, yeah man. So check out this room right here. You know, we about to do a little something. I got 2 keys. Look, one for you, baby.
Okay,
Take
thank you,
that one.
baby.
This one for me, you know. Yeah. Look, this is what we
Okay.
staying at.
50
So if y'all want to come to 5010 after we finish,
After we bless it.
you know what I'm saying? Then y'all can do that. Yeah. So we're gonna show y'all the bathroom. Come look
Okay,
at
so
it.
we just walked in the room.
This is how we do it. So boom, we got the restroom right here. So we got the sink. 2 his and hers sink, but we got the bamboo right here.
Ooh.
See how they got the bamboo in the background? You know, it's all decked out. Come check out our shower.
I already put my makeup bag.
This is our shower right here.
Ooh.
Well, all the magic hands, the way it goes down. It goes down right here. I might have to put one leg. I ain't gonna tell y'all all that. It's too much information. But check it out. So, right here is all the buttons right here where we push, turn it, and all the water come out. So I don't know which one is which. We about to find out together. You ready?
Yeah.
I'm back up with it. Might squirt on me or something. Oh, check it out. Come on. Let them see. Oh, this right here. This is my girl favorite part.
Nico, really?
Because I don't know what she gonna do with that, but y'all probably know what I don't know.
Nico, don't
All
play.
right, let's turn that off. And I think this right here is the waterfall.
Well, I want to see that one.
You ready?
Yeah.
Oh, look how that's coming out, y'all. Yes, sir. I love this room so far. Come follow me, y'all. Follow me. So boom. Let's take y'all with the magic going down there, you know, but we might end up having a baby. You know how it goes. Look at this beautiful bed. I love how they got the TV set up right here where you can actually move it how you want to. It's all set up all nice.
I like.
Beautiful, man. They got the lamps on the side right here. Let's take y'all where the safe is.
Nice king size bed.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
You did your thing, baby.
Thank you, baby. You like it?
Yeah, I love it. I love it, yes.
I know you love it, girl. I did this for you. This what
But it's his birthday, though.
This what we hanging up. Yeah, it is my birthday, but I still did it. So yeah, y'all know how it go. You know, I wouldn't be doing all this if I was by myself, but since I got my girl. So look, when you step inside, the lights come on.
Ooh.
You know. We got it set up right here where we want to get a couple towels.
Okay.
His and hers.
Okay.
His and hers roll. Look, but when you travel, people will clean up your room, and when they clean up your room, you can't trust everybody. So you always want to find a code to the safe that you know that they won't know, right? So we got our safe right here. Put all your stuff, all your money, you know, your jewelry, anything that you think of value, you put it in that safe, all right? All right, come on, let's go. Let's see what else they got. Oh, check us out. Yeah, if we want privacy, which we don't even need privacy. I mean, we good, but if we want, if we want to just a different ambiance of the room, then yeah, we open that up, we close that up. It's bamboo everywhere. Yeah, man. time it is, man. We ain't get this room for nothing. We ain't get this room for nothing, all right? Let's get it. She drunk, y'all. She drunk already.
I didn't even know it came with the jacuzzi, y'all. We knew the private pool, but not this one right here.
Yeah, that's
So
beautiful.
nice, I'm excited.
That's beautiful. You ready to show them the real deal? Jamaica, Jamaica. Yeah, man. Jerk chicken, yeah man. Yeah man.
So yeah, y'all, that was our room tour. We are so in love with the room. You love it?
I love it.
I love it.
Yeah.
So nice, y'all.
Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe because we got plenty of videos coming from Jamaica. Jamaica is one of the beautifulest places. And this, we haven't even really just like dove
We
into
haven't done anything.
Jamaica. But hey, I'm already,
So far.
we coming back, right? You wanna come back?
Definitely coming.
Yeah, so make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe because it's going down. This was nothing but just a room tour. So we just wanted to show y'all how we living in Jamaica.
You know we gotta share everything with y'all.
Yeah, everything. I don't care what it is. Now that we start this YouTube channel, we're gonna give y'all all the dope content. I'm talking about every little thing, except for the bedroom scenes. You know, we can't show y'all that. You know what I mean?
Anyways,
Yeah.
we definitely have to share with y'all, our family, and we're going on this journey together.
Yeah, so make sure y'all stay tuned because we got another video coming ASAP.